Hello everyone, my name is Thomas Howard. I'm the Graduate Assistant for the Kirker Center. Today I will be showing you a brief tutorial on how to use Screencast-O-Matic, a recording software that we will be using to record poster presentations for this year's Kirker celebration for the fall 2020 semester. So first of all, you're going to want to open a web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome, but it doesn't matter which one you use between Safari or Firefox. So go ahead and open this right up. I've typed in Screencast-O-Matic into the search bar. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this link, and it will bring you to this page. What you're going to do next is you're going to have to make an account for the free version of Screencast-O-Matic. You can see I'm already logged in. And once you are already logged in, go ahead and click on My Videos. So we'll take you to this page, which we will primarily be using. Don't worry about any of these other icons between images, folders, and channels. Don't worry about any of that. We're only going to be using this Videos tab. And once you have this pulled up, you're going to click Launch Recorder. What's going to happen after you hit Launch Recorder is your computer is going to be prompted, if you have not already done it, to download the software for Screencast-O-Matic. And once you download that software, it will look a little something like this. You see my desktop in the background, and then I'll show you sort of this screen will pop up here. You have your recording bracket around, you have your recording button here, and you also have an option between screen, webcam, and both. I'm not using the webcam option right now, but when you go to record your poster, definitely want to click on this both icon. What this means is that you'll be recording both of what's on your screen as well as a camera that shows your face. So you get that secondary camera caption option. The other really important button here in this interface is this microphone button. If you don't click on this portion right here and authorize your computer to allow your microphone to be linked to Screencast-O-Matic, you're actually not going to be recording any of what you're going to say during your poster presentation. So definitely go ahead, click that, make sure it's good. You won't have to worry about, max time. Posters should only take about around 5 minutes to record, and the size you can play around with. It actually changes the size of this bracket. My bracket that's on my screen that you can't see right now is a little bit larger than this, but you can get the gist of it. So once you have this good to go, you'll be wanting to press record here, and you're going to record your presentation all in one go. So before you actually hit record, you're actually going to want to bring up your PowerPoint. So you're going to bring up your PowerPoint in a different tab, and then go to play from start, or play from current slide, as long as it's blown up and in proportion. So as you can see, the way my bracket is right now, it's not to the full dimensions of the entire screen. So what you're going to want to do before you hit record is make sure that the bracket is entirely encompassing all of your words and directions of your poster that's on your screen. You'll also see that on your screen, you can see a circle around my cursor. You can also use this to sort of guide your audience's eye in case you wanted to reference a picture that you had, or a certain piece of text, a quote, or if you wanted the audience to follow along generally for what you're talking about your poster. So once you have this all set, you're going to be prompted to end your recording, right? Let me pull up my screenshot of that. So you're going to, once you hit the record button, which is right here, and end your recording, it will look something like this, where it will say, do you want to publish your video, right? So you're going to be prompted to have this right here, and just make sure the important part is that your video is recorded in this MP4 format, and you'll also be able to fix your file name, just, your name and Kirka presentation should be great for a file name. You're going to hit publish. It'll take a couple of seconds to download the audio, but once you have that file all taken care of, we're going to go back to your web browser and go to the Westfield page, westfield.ma.edu, and you can either search in the search bar Kirka and click in the first link that comes up, or type in /Kirka, and it'll bring you right to our page, right? And that will bring you to all these tabs here, and if you've already done the registration, you'll already be familiar with this tab. But you'll go to For Students, right, and scroll down to this poster printing submission. Right here, poster project and wall words submission Dropbox. You're going to click on this, and then you will be prompted to place in that video that you just recorded, and it should be all set. So I want to bring up my contact information. Just so that you have a name to a face in case you have any questions. So here I am. If you have any questions at all with the recording software, Kirker poster questions, poster format questions, I'm available at thoward6798 at westfield.ma.edu. Please feel free to reach out to me with any and all questions. I will happily take them. And I hope you learned a little bit of something about the software in this tutorial, and thank you so much for listening. I am looking forward to looking at all of your great research projects.